We are Group 1.
Count speaking.
We are Group 1, and my name is Yamsi.
Chinwe.
Avesta. Chisom. Okay, so we were happy we came together because we started around the same time. We had done the research assignments first, which was how we got the initial inspiration to go for a classic timeless color and look. We decided on a ball gown because it was our plan to actually go for a reception dress as well. So we used the same gown twice. We chose white, and we wanted it to be double tiered. Up here we have the rice beads in white. We've adorned her neck as well with Swarovski stones, and we also have rice beads as well in her hair. For the bottom, just for the purpose of the mood board, we have 3 cylinders that we created out of cardboard. That's not necessarily what we use actually for a normal bridal gown, but for this mood board, that's what we used. But this was based on our research, and that was the agreement we had. We literally went to the market and sourced the fabric, Balogun market. It was affordable. It's just to give the bride an idea anyway. So that's how we came about this dress.
Okay, so we decided to go with the color white because from our research we found out that white is the most commonly used color for bridal wear. And we decided, okay, she's a Western bride. So, and in the Western countries, they use white, and we'll say thanks to Queen Victoria, she made it more trendy, far back as 1840. So we decided to stick to it since we're doing a Western bride. So this is the dress, like she said, we chose the white and all that. We decided to go all elegant and elaborate with the dress because she wanted to own her space. And because the dress is so loud, we decided to keep the head simple. So instead of using a veil we decided to just use the beads on the head for her hair piece. So okay, fine. But before this is a process. So at first there was a proposal. So she was proposed to, and she got her engagement ring. Then we went on. Invitation cards went out. Then this place actually represents the preparation when she was dressing up. You have the garter, you have her ring box, you have her. This is the process of her hair until eventually ended up with this style. Then you have her tiara, her accessories, the necklace. Then this is her bouquet. So we just decided to take pictures of all her things arranged on the bed. So that's why we have them all arranged here around the bride. So our choice of picture, we found out something in our course of work research. We found out that we needed something to make it look very real. So we needed our pictures to look like actual pictures and not just print out from the computer. So we had to search for good cards to print our pictures. So that's how you can see they almost look so natural, so real. So that's why we have this. A lot was put into it. We spent money. Yes, we did. We spent
time.
Yeah. So okay. So this is the bride, like you see here, the name. So this is for the reception. So sorry, this is the bride, the white wedding and all that. So our mood board is divided into 2 sections. We have the reception. So now, like we said, this was all loud. This was all loud. So we decided to keep it simple with this dress. And we wanted something colored since we already used white hair. So we chose this color. That's the reason for the color she has on. Then she's a Western bride. So she decided to have a reception, an open door reception, an outdoor reception rather, sorry. So that's what we have there. This is the beautiful area, reception area, if you can see clearly. This reception area, this is the table setting, classy, not too loud. Then this is her cake. She decided to go with a 4-tier cake. Then there's no reception without food. So this is our buffet section where we have our food lined up and arranged and all that. Then like we said, she's a Western bride. She's very current. Everything here all ends with the honeymoon. So she chose the destination honeymoon, and this is the Caribbean. And we just our bride loves love. So it's all about love, and this is it.
Love our romance.
Okay, so on this end here we have the fabrics that we used, excluding the papers for the board. We have the beaded lace, sugar lace, hard neck, Duchess lace, which is underneath this top sugar, so Duchess satin, which is underneath the sugar lace, and then we have a white satin which is also underneath here, and another lace, and then the rice beads. The boss babes actually achieved this. Chini gathered 2 layers together, sewed and pulled the gathers together, and then we tucked it in, and that's how we would form the first overlay. Yes, so that's what we have. Working together as a group was actually kind of fun for us. It was a lot of banter. We balanced out our strengths. We learned we learned to compromise. What worked best for us was that everyone was sort of flexible and adaptable. So Esther was readily available to go for the printing, and whenever we needed to go and source for something, she was always available for that. Chini and I and Chisom went to the market initially to get the fabric that we used. But for our brand, we have decided that we would want to do digital because that would save us time and energy and money as well. And in case of any errors, which we thought we sort of made with the board, it would be easier to fix that if we did something digital. But we do find that this mood board assignment is important, and it's something that would actually incorporate if we do start our own fashion business. But yes, so mood board is important for us. It would be a digital one. It's a lean approach to just watching our own carbon footprint, I suppose. So yes, we were able to play around more with digital, but we enjoyed this project thoroughly, and yeah, that's us. Thank you.
Wow. Nice. Oh my God.